is the history of Thai green curry? Thai green curry, also known as khiao 1, is a type of Thai curry that is believed to have originated in central Thailand. It is characterized by its bright green color and strong spicy flavor. The dish is believed to have been influenced by the green curries of Indian cuisine, which were brought to Thailand by Indian traders and immigrants. Over time, Thai green curry evolved to incorporate local ingredients and spices such as lemongrass, kaffir lime leaves and Thai basil. Thai green curry is typically made with coconut milk and a paste of green chili peppers, shallots, garlic, lemongrass, coriander root and other spices. It can be made with a variety of meats such as chicken, beef, pork or fish, or with vegetables and tofu. Today, Thai green curry is one of the most popular dishes in Thailand and is enjoyed not only by Thais but also by people all over the world who have discovered the delicious taste of Thai cuisine. The dish is often served with rice and is known for its balance of spicy, sweet, salty and sour flavours. What is the recipe for Thai green curry? Here is a basic recipe for making Thai green curry at home. The ingredients are 1 pound of boneless chicken or beef cut into thin slices, 1 can of coconut milk, 2 tablespoons of Thai green curry paste, 1 tablespoon of fish sauce, 1 tablespoon of palm sugar or brown sugar, 1 eggplant sliced, 1 cup of Thai basil leaves. Now, here are the cooking instructions. Heat a pan or wok over medium heat and add the green curry paste. Cook for a few minutes until fragrant. Add the sliced meat and cook until browned. Pour in the coconut milk and bring the mixture to a boil. Add the fish sauce, palm sugar and sliced eggplant. Reduce heat to low and let simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes or until the meat is cooked through and the sauce has thickened. Stir in the Thai basil leaves just before serving. Serve over steamed rice and garnish with more Thai basil leaves and crushed peanuts if desired. So, there you have it. Enjoy your homemade Thai green curry. Cooking Thai green curry can be a fun and delicious experience. Here are a few tips to make cooking more enjoyable. Get creative with your ingredients. Thai green curry is a versatile dish that can be made with a variety of meats, vegetables and tofu. Try experimenting with different ingredients to find your perfect combination. Use fresh spices. Fresh spices and herbs will elevate the flavour of your green curry to a whole new level. Try to find fresh lemongrass, kaffir lime leaves and Thai basil if possible. Make your own green curry paste. While store-bought green curry paste is convenient, making your own paste from scratch will add a personal touch to your dish and give you full control over the flavour. Get the family involved. Cooking Thai green curry can be a fun family activity. Enjoy the process. Take your time and enjoy the process of cooking Thai green curry. The aromas and flavours that develop while cooking will only add to the overall experience. Have fun and enjoy your Thai green curry.